same-sex marriage hearing in the Supreme Court. NCPCR's argument shot down. Supreme Court says no psychological impact on child. Top court chunks NCPCR's argument. That is the latest breaking news coming in on the broadcast. My colleague Harish is joining us on the phone line to give us more details. Harish, what we are getting to know at this point of time is that the NCPCR's argument has been shot down by the Supreme Court. It has said that no psychological impact on children, in connection to the same-sex marriage. Give us more details.
Two contentions. There is one in the center's affidavit that this is an urban elite concept, and another contention by the NCPCR that these children adopted by such same-sex couples will have psychological problems. So Chief Justice once again reacted to our argument of center that same-sex marriage was against societal morality and Indian ethos and was an urban elite concept. Chief Justice said after decriminalization of homosexuality, it is more prevalent. But it may look more urban as more urban people are coming out of the closet. But I was going through the center's affidavit. There is no data with the government to prove that it is urban elite concept. CJI had referred to it yesterday too, saying that between the time of Navtej Johar judgment of 2018, in which Supreme Court decriminalized homosexual acts, and now our society has found greater acceptance. It found acceptance in our universities. Our universities don't only consist of urban kids; they are from all areas. Our society has accepted the same-sex relationship. In last 5 years, things have changed. There is an acceptance which is involving. We are conscious of that. Regarding NCPCR's contention that adoption of children be not allowed by same-sex couples as it would affect their overall personality growth, Chief Justice said even if a couple is a gay or a lesbian relationship, one of them can still adopt. So this whole argument that it will create a psychological impact on the child is belied, contradicts by the fact that even today on the state of as law stands, once you have decriminalized homosexuality, it is open for the people to live in together, and one of you can adopt. It's just that child loses the benefit of parenthood, so to speak of. So it won't have any psychological impact on the adopted child, as claimed by the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. So this Chief Justice, in fact, reacting to two contentions, one by the center that this is an urban elite concept, and number two, reacting to the NCPCR contention that children adopted by same-sex couples will have psychological problems. Back to you.
Harish, what are we expecting next as far as the center's stand is concerned in this? Because the Supreme Court has, said that it will continue to hear the pleas.
Yes, today, in fact, the center and Supreme Court and said that it's filing a new affidavit, an application saying that notice should be sent to all states, and their views also should be taken into consideration before the Supreme Court goes ahead, as states are a major stakeholder. Therefore, this hearing should be stayed till we get the views of all the states. But Chief Justice rejected that plea, saying that for the time being we will not consider that, and asked all senior advocates appearing for petitioners to continue their arguments on merits. So as of now, it's a setback for the center, as the Supreme Court has rejected their plea to hold back the hearing till the center's view comes. Supreme Court said as of now it has no plans to hold the hearing, and has allowed the lawyers to continue with their arguments on merits.
All right, Harish, thank you for giving us those details. We will be, of course, tracking in each and every detail that we gather and the updates. We will be bringing you each and every update coming in as far as the same-sex marriage is concerned here on Mirror Now. Let's leave it at that at this point.